So, to upload from a USB, you will have dragged and dropped the files that you've been sent onto a clean USB stick. All we're going to do is go into this bottom button here, into settings, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and press the tick button. Here, you'll find the USB icon, and we've got the choice to export and import. We will be importing. So, in goes the stick. We press the import button. We're going to import everything. You have the choice between settings, groups, and everything. We're going to import everything. Give the unit a few seconds. It will give us a timer bar. And once it refers back to it, we can take the stick out. And now we'll have all of our recipes already uploaded and ready to work with.